Anyone can become a billionaire as long as you play strategies that can help you achieve that. Take Bill Gates, for example. At a young age, he was able to find the needs of his environment, develop an idea to satisfy that, and generate streams of income from it. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. A billionaire is an individual that has $1 billion net worth. They are not formed but made. And in contrast to popular opinion, simply working excessively does not necessarily earn you the position of a billionaire. However, the attitude towards the excess work does. Attitudes like passion, determination, effort, intelligence, and skills are the fundamental things a billionaire must have. As a billionaire, there are certain privileges you get. For starters, you wouldn't have to bother about the cost to afford your basic needs. You also won't have to seek anyone's approval to get things done, especially if finance was the reason for the wait. And respect will be accorded to you greatly. But after getting such a tremendous amount of money, what do you do with it? Do you go around spending it recklessly? Stay with us to find out. Although most people think becoming a billionaire allows you the opportunity to simply buy anything you want, billionaires find themselves in the business of making the world a better place. Most billionaires never thought of having the money initially, but wanted to attain their full potential, bearing in mind that the money will follow. This is to say that billionaires are developers of society that later go on to become super rich. So, being a billionaire allows you to bring development to society. Billionaires don't just waste their money buying extravagant things. Bill Gates, for example, pays for the immunization of children in West Africa. Also, considering his contribution to the coronavirus pandemic, you will discover that he is committed to the growth of society. To know how much billionaires make, let's take Elon Musk as an example. He earns a massive sum of $382 million a day, which is about $5 billion annually. Jeff Bezos has a net worth of $177 billion, Bernard Arnault has a net worth of $150 billion, and so many more. So if you are thinking of becoming a billionaire, your daily income must be extremely high. So, how can one become a billionaire? Becoming a billionaire takes time, discipline, and skill. Let's look at some of the steps to take to attain the status of a billionaire. Number 1. Make extensive research on finance, other sectors you want to venture in. You don't expect to sit down and make it, so you must be willing to research various sections for you to make that much money. Remember, with knowledge comes power and money, so you must have more ideas on what is needed by your environment, concentrating more on science and technology since it is one of the most lucrative. You can also look into people like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and many more as models. Number 2. Keep a saving habit. Don't be in the habitat of spending all of your earnings. You should make sure to save at least 10 to 20% of the money you earn, and it must be duly held always. Number 3. Invest. After saving a lot of money, do you make yourself comfortable by buying expensive clothes, shoes, and cars? If you do, then that is not very advisable. As a disciplined person looking to become a billionaire, you must make sure you invest your money in a tangible business or real estate to yield interest. You can also buy and sell commodities. Number 4. Staying rich. This is the most challenging task for some who don't know how to keep their riches. Remember, you are on your way to becoming a billionaire, so diversifying your riches will earn you more. To become a billionaire, you should know that the time it takes to be one depends on your dedication and will. It may take 8 to 10 years or less, depending on how fast your business or investment grows. Although it may take a longer time, a determined individual who has placed principles and has mastered discipline will make it faster. There is no shortcut to this, so you must be patient and diligent in seeing results. Becoming a billionaire does not necessarily require any certificate. Some billionaires were not graduates before they were billionaires. That doesn't mean education can't make it easier for you to become a billionaire. It can, but it is not a requirement. Hope this video was helpful. Were there any parts that stuck out for you? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.